Okay, I'm just recording this so that I've got something to play with. Obviously this mic, I've got a horrible feeling that when I was doing the test yesterday, I know it's going to sound silly, I think I put the clip on upside down, so the microphone may have been pointing at my feet, which might account for why it was a bit muffled. Anyway, I know it's up the right way now because I've checked it in the mirror, and I'm recording this clip so that I can listen to it properly, knowing it's up the right way. I mean, it might have been yesterday, I'm not sure, but this will tell. And also to give me a sound clip where I can play with the equalizer and get a nice voice sound using this microphone without too much faffing around. So that's what I'm up to, and we'll see where we go from there. There is an inherent problem with this microphone. It's got an on-off switch, and there's no indication on the camera whether it's on or off. So I may record a whole video one day with the microphone turned off and there'll be no sound, at which point I'll have to do a voiceover. But yeah, that on-off switch could be a problem. Obviously leaving it on is just going to drain the battery, so it does need to be turned off when it's not in use, but it's just remembering to turn it on. It's just another little, thing to do. Anyway, let's have a play with this clip and see what sort of sound we've got.